pumunta doon sa neighbor.
So itong road na to exclusively for their house, no?
No, this is their driveway.
Ito yung driveway lang.
Driveway nila to private. As soon as you turn, this is their own. They have 30 acres.
30 acres.
It's going down everywhere. I think at least 30. I can't remember how much.
Ikot ka. Ayan, nakabili na siya ng eggs. Ayan na. Nakabili na. Si Mama. Ano sa? Mama.